हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम और वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आई होप आप सब लोग अच्छे से होंगे, खैरियत से होंगे। सो इन टुडेज वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू डू द swatches of the newly launched matte lipstick boxes from Mars Cosmetics. These are super duper affordable yet very nice, and I have got all the 4 sets or the boxes. So yes, without any further ado, let's start the swatches of these beautiful lipsticks. And if you want to know my thoughts and reviews on these lipsticks, you can check out the description box. And if you like the video, please make sure to hit the like button, and you can also share this with your friends and family अगर वो अपने लिए ढूंढ रहे हैं good affordable matte lipsticks या आप new lipsticks ऐड करना चाहते हैं अपने कलेक्शन में. And also do subscribe to my channel. Please support me guys and help me grow. Thank you so much, and I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.